Okay, now we will see about the pivot table. So pivot table is like easiest way to prepare a consolidated information from your raw data available. So here we will choose the 6 column from serial number till assigned to. So this one you have to remember, always your data should have a header. If no header, then you will get error, you cannot use the pivot table. So I just choose the column, then we go to the insert tab, there you'll find pivot table. So already the range selected, still you can select it here as well. So then you have new worksheet or existing worksheet, so I will go for a new worksheet. Even existing you can still use it. If an existing sheet you want to prepare the pivot, so it's already here. So now we can just drag it to any of the fields here. So I'm dragging the serial number, so you will find the serial numbers. Then I'm dragging the host name to the row as well, so you will see the host name of each serial number, then the location of that notebooks. So location, if you move into the values, then you will find the count of the location. So the other way, if you want to have multiple places, like so you want to have multiple categorization of same field, then you must go for filter field. So here the location I'm moving to filter. So here you can see it. So just Hougang, now it will show you only the Hougang data. So this one just now it shows only the Bangkok. So you can even have multiple selections, then to go back, select all. So from the sheets, the pivot table, like if you are going to have a list of applications, or you're going to have list of OS versions. Say now most of the companies are upgrading from Windows 10 to 11. So you want to know what are the notebooks that's having 21H2 of Windows 11, or 21H2 22H2 of Windows 10, or already in Windows 11. So you have all these categories. So you can have the notebook host names or serial number tagged to which version of OS they are holding. Just you do a pivot table, then you will get the all the details in a consolidated part. Then you just can start using them instead of doing it instead of filtering it and using all the formulas so for whatever we have seen. So here's just an example, like instead of Bangkok, Hougang, Novena, instead of that, if it's going to be Windows 10 21H2, Windows 10 22H2, then Windows 11, then you have the count already. So you want to know who are the host names, then just add the host name to the rows. You will give the host names under each category, like Windows 10 21H2, what are the host names, Windows 10 22H2, what are the host names. You'll get all the categories there. So just you can start working with the data. It's going to be just going to take few minutes only. You have an entire 3000 4000 PC data. Just in a minute you can consolidate them, then you can start working it. So next we will be seeing Xmatch. So let me delete some of the data already here, make some space. Okay, so this Xmatch is a latest function, will not be available in the previous versions, old versions of Excel. So unless you have a latest version, you can find this. So Xmatch, the formula will be Xmatch, then lookup value. So this I would say is like a modernized version of search function. So search function is going to be manual. So this is like a automated search function. So I would like to search a particular value here, say Hougang, in the range of D, then exact match or next smaller. So this we will usually use when it's going to be a number. So next smaller, or next larger number, nearest larger number, or the wildcard. So here we will be using exact match. Since it's going to be words here, so we use the exact match. So it shows it's in the first Hougang appears in the 5th row. Similarly, you can have number that's the nearest, that's higher or nearest smaller value as well. So you'll be able to able to easily find out. So you might think like, why we don't use the search function. So it's the first search function. You can just search Hougang, yes. Then you want to search something else, or you want to find the next Hougang, or maybe from the down or the nearest value, then you need to again search it. This is going to be automated. Just do change in the formula, then it's going to keep on searching it for you. So this is the advantage of using Xmatch. So mostly this will be more helpful when you're going to have data with the numbers that you're going to search. So you want to find the nearest value version. Maybe you want to search a software version that's very nearest to the latest one. Which notebook has the nearest version? So you can use this Xmatch. It will give you the nearest one, because we don't know which is the nearest version, but we just would like to check nearest nearest to the current version we know maybe 10.5. So the nearest we are not sure if it's 10.4 or 10.3, what's in our record. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Techify with Adil for more such videos. Share with your friends for them to get benefited as well. Thank you.